Hi, I'm Dr. Kris Hiney, the Equine Extension Specialist with Oklahoma State University. Today I want to talk about old horses and their care just a bit. So certainly with the increases in veterinary medicine, good nutrition, our horses are able to function quite well for a much longer period of time. So it's not unheard of to have horses that live to their late 20s, 30s, or sometimes even 40. And certainly those old horses with experience have a lot of value, certainly can be productive and stay in the show pen or using horses for a lot longer than they used to. However, that does mean we need to take special care of them. Typically, when we're thinking about older horses, one of our biggest issues is making sure that they stay at a good weight and a good nutritional status. So the key to that is actually their teeth. So essentially, as horses get older, their teeth may have excessive wear, be uneven. They can even lose teeth as that root of the tooth gets more shallow. So a key is good dental care and working with your veterinarian to monitor that on a routine basis. Luckily, February is commonly known as Dental Month, both for our small animals and our equine. So check with your local veterinarian to see if they're running any specials on getting dentals done in this February. Along with good tooth maintenance, many older horses may actually need some special feed or more processed feed. Essentially, as those teeth wear down, they're not able to chew that long stem forage or hay quite as much as they used to. They still may be able to do pretty well on pasture with its more tender grass, but otherwise you may have to have a pelleted, chopped, or a cubed hay source to allow those horses to still have adequate forage. You may also look into complete feeds that ensure all the nutrients that older horse needs is in a form that's easy to eat and readily digestible by their a little bit more older tract. You want to be sure to make plans to attend our March 5th Horse Owners Workshop here in Stillwater. We're going to be featuring 3 tracks with programming for our more novice horse owners to advanced horse owners and even our adult leaders and volunteers that work with youth. So we'll have programs relative to donkey nutrition, running successful youth programs and clubs, youth leadership skills, and some fun activities on making biosecurity fun for kids. Again, everything from adult education to youth, that's there for you March 5th at our Horse Owners Workshop. For more information on caring for your older horse, visit OSU's Extension fact sheets for more detailed information, or listen to Extension Horse's Tack Box Talk podcast series, available on all devices.